Doesn't look like. There we go. All right, so we got mics on this one. We got mics on this one. Good morning. I'm getting set up here, so bear with me a minute. I kind of got multiple things going on here. Streaming everything. AMC is pushing into the bell. I like it. This is what we need. Look, man, we've been teetering all morning on some bullshit. For sure. I'm going to try to make some quick adjustments here. I'm streaming on 2 channels, and we're going to see how it goes. But I'm going to have to make some quick adjustments, so bear with me. But look at it run. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my God, my plugin's outdated. OBS, damn it. All right. Give me a minute here. DroidCam OBS. I'm going to have to update some stuff apparently. So we'll pop this back on. Let's go. Hey, how you doing? The 30s. Ooh, Leland. Nice to see people come back here. I haven't been able to stream for a while. Look. Here's what's the number on that? Think about it. 30s is how far away is that from 50 bucks? It's not 10%. It's not 20%. You're talking it having to dip 30 more percent to get down in there. I don't know that it's going to take that big of a hit yet. I think looking at the actual chart that if we can maintain, let me move this over. Obviously, I had a big George W on there, and after hours just disappointed yesterday. So let's get rid of that. What we have here, even though it dipped, it's still not below this low, right? So we need to stay above the $40 mark on a consistent, and it shouldn't go back down there. Now, eventually, absolutely, definitely going to go back to the 30s. Just not in the immediate future. We shouldn't see that. But the dip is severe, man. Look, if you're a trader, the dip is beautiful. The dip is absolutely beautiful. If you are a long-term holder, it kind of sucks. I like to I'm trying to adjust my screen here, so just give me a sec. Because for whatever reason, Webull just looks all weird here on my screen. It's like a size issue we have happening. So bear with me, guys. I'm trying to reset up my stream here for multiple things. But I don't see it going down that far. 30% again after just giving up. I may have gave up 18%, but honestly it was a lot more than that. The swings are really bad. The swings are so bad. I should have got out and of my contracts yesterday and reloaded them. But I didn't. All right, I'm just trying to get in here and download these plugins that apparently are out of date. Kiddos are waking up. How you doing there, kid? Huh? Oh no. You don't look good. Yeah, I would always wait until about 15 minutes after the bell. See which way it goes. Oh, it's going to make me restart OBS to do this. Yeah, it is. It's not going to let me do the DroidCam. All right, well, let's try ignoring this and see if it has a problem. Maybe it'll let me do it. We'll find out. What you got going on over there?
I think it's like training the bronchitis or something.
Bronchitis? This kid's self-diagnosing himself. That's not bad.
I'm super congested. My throat hurts. I've got like a bad cough. My head hurts.
The kid's falling apart. 26 a share, 22 shares. That's not bad. You got a good average. I mean, what's your long-term play here? You trying to hold this thing till it hits a crazy number, or are you trying to play this until what's your limit? Everyone trades at their own risk. I have about 100 and something shares. Average cost 46 because I've been trading AMC. I have not been buying and hodling it. So I currently have 137 shares. Yeah, well, the very end is there is no end in the stock market. The end is AMC goes out of business many years from now. That's the end. The end of the squeeze. The end of whatever people are trying to make happen here. We don't know when that is. The end could be $100 in all reality. You got to stay in your comfort level. If your goal is to make money, then trading it's the way to go. If your goal is to just be a part of the movement, then you're doing fine. You're into it for what? 22 times 20, $460, something like that, $500, which isn't a crazy investment. I threw in $19,000 into 145 call strike options yesterday, and at one point they rocketed up, and they were looking great. They were looking amazing. Oh, there's my boy Lucid. I sent you a link, buddy, to the other channel. And I have two channels, Lucid. And I haven't been able to stream on my main channel that has more subscribers because copyright strike. So somehow I figured out how to load these things up and get them both going at the same time. So I'm on both channels, which is crazy. Oh, Robinhood's fine, man. Look, you don't have to worry about buying shares on Robinhood. Robinhood is not going to screw you in any way, shape, or form. You're going to be fine. The entire situation that happened with GameStop earlier in the year and the whole DTCC thing, I think they have realized that this is very possible that this could happen again, and they'll be completely prepared for it. You don't need to worry about that. Millions and millions and millions of people use Robinhood every day. It's fine. I use Robinhood. I use Webull. I use TD Ameritrade. I use Cash App. I use them all. And I put a little bit in each one of them. I like Robinhood's platform just by the basis of the user interface is very nice. It says sign into chat, but I'm going to have to see if I can chat with you over here. Let me see. It's kind of weird how this is all working out. I'm going to hit this thing. I was actually going to work, and then I decided, fuck that. I'm just going to sit here and watch these stocks anyway. So it only made sense that I just come back and be comfortable. All right, so she's giving up a little bit. I'm trying to adjust these so that my window fits completely in here. So what I'm going to try to do is just maybe switch this up a little bit. Let's see. There we go. That looks better, right? That looks better. Now I throw this down here. We're in business. So now we can see the whole thing. And I can pull out the level 2 data. Now we're much better. All right. Do we want some music on this stream or no? What do we want? Let me fix the other one here. So I fixed one of the streams. Let me fix the other stream. There we go. Now we can see it better. And for some reason, I cannot get my webcam on this one. I don't know why, but my GoPro does not want to stream to both. So that's kind of a bummer. And I'll have to restart the entire thing. So I guess we just don't have me on that one for now, if that's all right with you guys. Hey, there you go. Yeah, I got a lot more. I haven't used this channel in forever, but I have like 6,500 subscribers on this one. So this was my main channel to begin with. So I'm trying it on this one today. I'll miss out on Tim and maybe a couple others, but it's all right. But we're going to go green, baby. I think we're going to make it. Let's look at the 1 minute. All right. Also, before I forget, I had better to log into all of my Robinhood account, my trading accounts, and see how F we're going to be. We'll find out here shortly when this thing opens and we go, oh my God, dude, the calls are going to be so damn deep in the wrong direction. It's going to be disgusting, honestly. Oh, help us. What does it say? Oof. It wants me to avoid a margin call. It's going to be, I don't know why I would have a margin call because I'm not buying anything on margin. Unless, oh, I need a phone charger. Hold that thought. Oh my God. All right. Go check on the kiddo there. He's not feeling good. Gonna have to book him some kind of doctor appointment today. But green could be incoming. Green could be on our way. There you go. I had to transfer a little bit just to keep my margin happy. Here we go, green. I think I might pop out the chat so I can throw it right here. Just so I can see that better. Which will show up on your screen too, most likely. Which is fine. Did you watch the Adam Aaron interview last night? Trace trades. I don't think it was all that exciting. I mean, he was pumped, but dude, he's the CEO of a billion-dollar company. He's always pumped. You know, makes sense. Yeah, I was listening to dude, I didn't see that. I honestly did not see him dropping the camera to have no pants on. I even scrubbed the video. I was like, well, why didn't he move? Someone tried to screenshot it or something. I don't know. It seems kind of silly. It all seemed kind of silly to me. Really. Oh, let me put this up here. 5 minutes to the bell. I don't know. I guess we were hoping for something. Look, people are reading into it, I think, a lot more than they should be. Honestly. I saw it, paused it, rewound it. I think people read into the whole shares situation a little bit too much too, right? When he said, "Well, this is the share count," and they're going, "Oh, well, now there's this." I know, but the shorts didn't cover it. Look, I don't think Adam Aaron is doing any kind of subliminal messaging here. I just don't. This guy said so. Robin Hood was controlled by the White Hats, whatever that means. Oh man, the question is, how deep? How deep are these calls going to go, buddy? We got 3 minutes to go. Normally I do stream somebody else. Let's see. I have a lot happening here. I try to keep my eye on the ball. Kevin's gonna cover a lot of other stuff. Andrew Mo Money's on there. He's all right. Andrew Mo Money ends up talking about a lot of other things, which I'm like, eh. Matt Core's usually the one that I tend to listen to. He also gets kind of off target though. What should you eat? Eggs. Probably. Make some eggies. It's still saying I got a deficit. I just put that in there. Whatever. Oh, hell. Let's see where it's going to go, man. We got 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Dude, I can move myself over here on this one, but I like it this way because it's the mic arms over there. What else is moving? I think the bigger interesting thing happening is sorry, is that two banks decided they were going to not allow them to short it. Right? So two big banks decided they weren't going to allow anyone to short AMC, GameStop, and a couple others, which is very interesting. I don't know which hedge funds or who that really impacts, but got to impact somebody. Little sell off going into the bell here, down 4%. Oh, here we go, man. 5% down. About to go ding-a-ling-a-ling, as we see all the time. That sucker drops hard on that bell, you know? That's it. That's in the green. There she goes. Where's she going to go? Opens at 48.75. Bing, rushing up. Look at it go. Look at it go. Hard push off the open. Hard push off the open. Hard push. 51, 51.50, 51.70, 51.50, 51.70. Let's go 52. Come on, 52. $52. $52. Keep it moving. $52 and going. $53. Keep going. Keep going. Push it. 53.50. Ooh, keep going. A little red candle off of the. That was a good green candle off the 1 minute. Is that going to be enough? 53. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. It's putting up a fight. We got that buy off the bell. Up 3%. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Let me pull up my. There we go. Clean Energy leads the pack 15% up. Naked's up 6. AMC's up 5. Pushing 5. We're getting somewhere, buddy. 54. 54. Dude, we get 68, 70 bucks. We're in the money today, buddy. Let's get it. Let's effing get it. There we go. 55. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're going to, Lucid, we need to recycle these options today. I think we can do it. We get up there to where these things are close enough to be in green, and it's going to dip. We need to recycle them. We need to sell them and buy them lower. We should have bought them at $4 or $3 yesterday. Let's go. Getting a pushback. 2 minutes of plus, up 4%. We know it doesn't run up green forever. We know this. Come on, 54. Come on. Come on. 5% up. $54. $54. $54. $54. Let's go. Keep it coming. I don't have any viewers on the other one there. All right, 53, 53. Ooh, it's coming back down a little bit. Recycle and run, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Volume is shit, it's all way over here. 27 million so far. Let's go. It's pushing green, pushing green, pushing green. That was a 2 million, 3 million, 20 million in that first volume candle, followed by 3, followed by 2.8. Let's go. Keep it climbing. Keep it climbing, baby. 53. 53. It's fighting 53. We need a big push. Volume's 2.8 million, 3.5 million. These are big volume candles. We're at 28 million on the day. Off to open. That's a good push. So we got another green. Need to keep the green candles moving. Here we go. That's a good push. It's pushing the volume. Let's get it. 53.50. 53.50. AMC 53.30. 53 bucks. Below 53. Up 2.5%. Up 2.2%. $52. Slight pullback. Slight pullback. Coming back a little bit. Just a little bit off the bell here. 52. below 52. Holding 52. 51. Back into the red. Losing our 5%. We need someone to come in and scoop up this discount. Who's it going to be? Breaking 50. Don't want to be back down there. No, we do not. 49. Breaking 49. That's a 10% swing. If you're paying attention, there's a 10% swing from the top to where we're at. Below the RSI, or the, not the RSI, below the VWAP for the day. RSI is at 47. At the moment, it's at 50, getting a green candle at 50. Clean Energy is still leading the charge here on my list, 16% up. Clover up 3. Nothing else really big money moving here. Biggest losers, Workhorse, Cost, Luminar. AMC at $50. AMC at 49. $49. Should I find some background music to play, or we don't care? 49, 49, 48. It's dipping again. It's dipping again. Putting up a fight off of this. This is definitely going to be a red 5-minute candle here if we don't get something. It's pushing. It's pushing back up to 50. I don't know. Matt Core is talking about like clockwork. None of this is clockwork. Let's go up. All right, I'm going to switch, pull this over here. So I can flick this guy off. We're at 50. Which across the board is just even kind of with the after hours action. So let's get it going, man. Let's get it going. Volume is sitting at 36 million. High is 54.80 so far. Got a green candle on that minute. Let's see if we can get another one. Let's get another green candlestick going. There we go, 51. There we go, breaking 51. Breaking 51. Dude, I had dreams that I woke up, my account was at like $2,000 in Robinhood. It was ugly, bro. I was like, oh no, those 145s should have sold them yesterday. And they were deep in the money. I was up like $5,000 on them yesterday at one point. Let's go. Oh, it's just fighting. Where's GameStop at? GameStop's at 260. Still strong for GameStop, though. Still strong for GameStop. Look, it's put up a fight. I'm not mad at it. It's putting up a decent fight. Let me go check on the kiddo here real quick. This thing here, this rocket ship's just waiting to launch. Come on, AMC. You got it, baby. Hit that VWAP. Get over that sucker. Come on, baby. There we go. Good push. Over it. Back into the green. Turn that number green. Come on, mama. There we go. Green on the day is what we want. 52. 52. We know how this game goes down. Let's go. Look, buddy, we're $15 away from being happy on the day. Let's get up there. That's so crazy that this stock has to move that far. 15 damn dollars. Oh man, that's so much. I used to hope it moved 50 cents. Now I'm like, let's move $35. Come at me, bro. I don't know. They're just making up targets right now. Matt Course is over here just making up targets. Let's be honest. There we go. Break 53. Good push. Good push. I've got to get some cough medicine in me. Break 53. 53, and we're halfway back to being profitable on these options. Come on, baby. Over 53. Come on, 54. Feel like gonna be one of those days where I'm just a auctioneer. 53, 53, 53, 53, 53, 52, 52, 52, 53, 53, 53, 54, 54. Do I have 54? Do I have 54? 53. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's get it. I'm going to just start calling out 68, 68, 68, 70, 70, 70, 70, 70, 70, 72, 72. Let's get it. There we go. Over 53. Slow climb. It's climbing up. See if it gets knocked back down. What I find interesting is we used to see on this level 2 data, we used to see big time walls. And we don't see that anymore. We used to see those huge sell walls. And we just don't see them in the level 2 book. I find that very interesting. Look, right now the ask is like there's just nothing over there. So weird. 53. Yeah, I think Matt Kors is noticing it too. Yeah, 49.50. The level 2 data is wrong. 53, it's pushing 54, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're down 50%. We're down 47% on our options. Let's go. Give it back to me. Rinse, repeat. 54. Breaking 54. Intraday high is 54.80. There we go. There we go. We're pushing it. We are pushing it to get over 54. The fight for 54 is on. I have so many stupid alerts set up on Webull. My phone is going bananas. Apparently a lot of things are moving that I used to follow. We all know none of that matters right now. Oh my God, Webull, get out of here with this. I know Upstart's doing shit. I see it. Let me turn off my Upstart one. Upstart's at $175. That's almost an all-time high. It's so close to an all-time high, it's ridiculous. That's so crazy. Good for Upstart. Good for Upstart. What's our friend Microvision doing? I told my buddy to buy a put on it. He's probably not that. He's got like 3 weeks out. It'll be fine. 53. Come on, AMC. Bro, I'm telling you this. We're going to have to swing it because you know this thing's not going to go rocket shipping straight up. We get up into the green, we need to rinse and repeat some options. That's a fact. 54, we're breaking 54. Intraday high. Yep, there it is. 55. Good push. 55.63. 55. 55. Come on, 56. There we go. Coming up on 56. Down 44% on the calls. Doing better. We're doing better. The account is back into the 10,000 range. Hit 56. Get over 56. How you doing over there, Lucid? How you doing, buddy? You sweating? Are you sweating yet? Those 73 strikes they were looking rough. I know you probably had, I think you bought, one contract at the 145, but I'm sitting on 21 of them motherfuckers. Let's get it. Come on with it. How does my other channel have 0 viewers? I don't know. I gotta edit the tags maybe. 54. How much did you pay for those 73s? Weren't those things like $1,000? They were like $10 or something. Yeah, 1030. 1030 on 73s for next week, right? You bought them out for the 11th, if I remember correctly. So you really need, yeah. So you really need $70. Well, probably, yeah, 70. You need to get to 70 for those things to all be printing money. Probably 60-ish to be green. To at least be a break even at this point. Back down to 52. I was trying to pull up the options chain here. Dude, those 145s expiring today are worth nothing. Yikes. June 11th, 73s. Well, if I was going to buy a June 11th call at 73, it's 10.15. That's not in the money for you? Now it's 988. 73 strike for June 11th right now is 10.05. So you should be okay, right? You're right there. You're at the cusp. It's getting some pullback here, back into the red. Yeah, you're just right there. I don't know what you plan to do with it, how long you want to hold it, but if it was me, at this point after yesterday, what happened, I think they get into, you get into any green. If those things hit like $11 or something today, just sell them and buy something else that's a little less risque, maybe. You know, something that's a little closer. Because you're right there. You are right there. You got time. You got 5 more days. But the theta is where it's going to get you, man. You're 1.1 to hold. My theta is 95. So that's what I'm saying, man. Got to be careful. Right now, we're building higher lows. Back in the green at 52.50. We are on the SSR list today. I don't know if that's going to help a whole lot. They can still short the upticks. So odds are what we'll see is a lot of these run-ups with heavy pullbacks. Hey, dude. That's what's up. You wouldn't go under 20. It's crazy. Dude, that's insane. Dude, that is insane. We're breaking down below 50. I think it's just going to be like this most of the day. Pretty volatile. So you probably need to hit somewhere around the $60 mark to be back at 20. Upstart's got a new all-time high at 179. It's at 51. Hit 56. 56 is the intraday high. Oh, right on. Yeah, reasonably priced for sure. Or maybe take less risk and get into something else, man. Pick another one that's, less risky, less expensive. Honestly, puts on Upstart at this point. Upstart's so high. All-time high is, it's not going to freaking just keep climbing. So maybe like a 2-week out put on Upstart would be a smart play. Just throwing that out there. But it's looking bullish. Yeah. And I like Upstart. Don't get it wrong. I love Upstart. Upstart burns the bears so bad. And when it ran up the first time to that all-time high at 175 or whatever it was at, 176, it burned so many bears because it held it very well. It held up over 150. They thought it was gonna. Everyone that I read about was trying to bet on Upstart going back to $80. It's just not going to happen. But buy a put that's closer to range, 150 or something. Those are more realistic because Upstart loves to trade in that 140, 150 range, 120 to 150, $20 swings. Loves it. While we're out here, I'm gonna look at it right now. Actually, what are theirs going for? They're expensive as shit. They're real expensive. I mean, you can get like 120 strike, 615. They're up there. They are up there, which is crazy because it's so far out. Oh yeah, the cheapest. I mean, you can get cheaper ones, obviously. You can get but they're up there, $1,000. Probably gonna spend $1,000 on them because they know it's coming down. That sucker's hit it's at 179 right now. That's insane. The calls are expensive. Holy shit. Calls are up there. Look at that in the money 45 strike call on Upstart. $13,000 bill. Jesus Christ. I always like to see what some people would pay for some of these options. But also know that some people already owned them before it was ever up that high. So the battle for 50 is back. It's really got to stay above 50 to continue being bullish. Oof, we're looking ugly. No shit. You're not lying. Be that guy. Be the guy who bought AMC $20 strikes expiring in July back in freaking February. Be that guy. I saw a couple posts. I saw a couple guys that bought some insanely cheap options. 40 cents a contract, something like that, and just loaded up 100 of them for 6 months out because it was so ridiculous of a idea. That's a good push. That's a good green candle back to the VWAP 52. We need this one to this little run up to get over 56. I'd say that was probably one of the biggest gain stories I saw posted was $750 to $39,000 on options. I got my little robot vacuum breaking in here. It can't come in the podcast room. I've got too much stuff on the floor, cables and stuff. It gets stuck. I gotta shut this door. All right. So that hit 52. This one needs to be green. This needs to keep going green up if it's going to have any room to run. Yeah, I'm up on my shares just over $1,000. Yesterday I was up like 3,000 when it hit 68. I was like, I really needed to rinse repeat, but we didn't. I was distracted mostly by my dad up there talking to me. He distracted me a good bit, and I was watching it hit 68. Dude, that's crazy gains, bro. That's so crazy. According to Stonko Trader, 1.4 million shares available to borrow. At 18.4%. See where it's gonna go. It's at 51. I did. I didn't know if that was. I was watching one of those other guys that streams. I don't remember. And he was wearing a red shirt, and I didn't know if it was the same. It looked the same as the interview from yesterday. I was like, "Is this live?" Because he was live, and I didn't know if he was. They were just replaying it from yesterday, but if that was actually live, then dude, that dude's getting some damn coverage, right? Which is crazy. It's crazy you go from just being a YouTuber in your hotel to CNBC. That's crazy. I don't know if it was the look. I mean, he was realistic with people, saying that the company's value, $25 is going to be a solid valuation for the stock. Don't think that really helps the situation at the moment, but at least he was honest. Big pullback below 50 again. Back to 49. So that would be the short on the uptick. Big uptick, big short. So they can still do on the SSR list. Short the upticks. Back over 50. The question is how much ammo do they have? That's going to be the question. Because if 1.4 million went back into the availability list, how many more are out there? We obviously know what a good upstart, $180. We obviously know what 7 or 8 million will do to one candle. It's freaking gross. Matt Kors has 60, 70, and 73 calls expiring today. Yikes. The question is, can we maintain this line right here? So they're saying 2 million, it's over 2 million short shares have been returned today, according to Ortex, according to Matt Kors. Jesus. Just reading through the news while this thing's going sideways. Mike Tyson admits he tried to kill Trevor Berbick as revenge for Muhammad Ali during their infamous second round knockout match. Mike Tyson tried to beat him to death in a boxing match. That's so crazy. Coinbase is giving away 1.2 million Dogecoin. $1.2 million in Dogecoin, let me be clear. Getting green. 51. How do you feel about AMC wanting to sell those 25 million shares? I mean, you can't be mad at them. They got a business to run. It's not their fault the stock's freaking heavily shorted and worth so much freaking money right now. Yeah, I mean, you're right. It doesn't pertain to this year. It'd be next year. It's just stuff that when you come out and say it, people get scared because they don't know. Look, honestly, I listen to these streams and some of them read the comments that they get. And I mean, some of the questions are so, I don't know. I feel like you should know. You shouldn't be asking them. If you're in the stock world, some of these things you just shouldn't be asking. But it just shows you that there's a lot of people out there that have no idea, that are just buying it just to buy it. They're just blind, or like they said, dumb money. They're just buying it blind and trading blind. Upstart's at 181. Jesus. Eyes is at $6. Took forever, freaking month to get back to $6. Look at Clover go. Clover's trying to push $10. I know. I saw some articles about CCIV being heavily shorted too. Oof. The sideways action is bleeding these calls, buddy. It's bleeding them. I've half a mind to average it down again. Yeah, it's quicksand. That's fair. I think if we get back up to the 55, $56 range, I'm gonna pull some out of my shares to average down this option again. If it'll let me. It might not even let me. What's the 5 minute look like? 5 minute does not look amazing. What's the 30 minute look like? Better. 30 minute looks more like a big cup. Big cup up to 65. Maybe we should just keep this one up. You know, like I always say, it's all about perspective, right? Look at that perspective. On the perspective on the 1 hour is green. So maybe we should just keep the perspective in the happy place. Upstart's at 188. Holy shit. That's fucking great. This is almost the lowest these calls have ever been. Just keep that in mind. At 313 right now. Oof, below 49. The 1 hour is turning red. All right, give me a minute. I hear some rumbling. I gotta go check on some kiddos. What we got going on right here? Still ugly, huh?